I read an article about an ultramarathon runner who ran every street in his city. His name was Ricky Gates. He had just got done running across the entire country. And after he finished that, he said, well, what's next? So he decided to run every street in his city of San Francisco. One of the reasons I started doing this was, because I thought it was a cool personal athletic goal. But then I was like, well, as a realtor, how neat would it be to say I've run by every home in the city? So I really have gotten to know the neighborhoods a lot better just from, a real estate standpoint of knowing what types of homes are available in what parts of the city. The more I've run, the more I've seen and the more interesting things I've found and kind of discovered along the way. So I've turned it into something bigger. So every year, my real estate partner, Stacy Santos, and I, we donate $100 for every house that we sell to a local nonprofit. So every year we try to donate at least $5,000. This year we selected the Barber National Institute. It's a nonprofit that's near and dear to my heart because I used to work for BNI and I saw firsthand the incredible things that they do for individuals in our community with disabilities. I asked some local businesses if they would support, and they, everyone I asked agreed, and they all donated, each of them donated $250 to the Barber National Institute, and they, sponsored me and this project. People are interested in seeing the things that I've found that really you can only uncover if you're on foot. And for me, when you have a goal like this, you start in a new location every time, so it's always finding new things and interesting things. So Little Italy was probably one of my favorite runs. There's this giant mural on the side of a building. It's just beautiful, and then they also have like a free library there, stocked with books. Across the street is the park, and on the same side of the road as the mural is this incredible community garden. So it's the Sisters of St. Joseph that have all these community gardens throughout the city, and that particular one, they grow vegetables, and they have local teens that actually will help, take care of these gardens, and then they grow these vegetables and they sell them at the Little Italy Farmers Market, which I just think is so cool. I think that was one of the biggest lessons for me, not just all the discoveries and sharing it, but the people that helped me along the way. Like this, I could never have done this if I didn't have support, not only at home from friends and family, but the people that I've met up at Radius that have, really encouraged me to make this bigger and better, and then offered their expertise. If you do have a vision, or if there's something you want to do, you can do it. All you need to do is ask for help, and people tend to be willing to give it to you. And I think that's what's really cool about our city, is that it is this just accessible network of people. And if you have an idea, there's someone out there that will help you accomplish it.